Have you ever seen a digital avatar talk just like a real person and wondered how they do that? Well, you're about to find out. In this video, I'll show you how to create realistic talking AI avatars using HitPaw Edimakor. No complicated editing and no animation experience needed. Just type your script, pick an avatar, and let the software do the magic. So let's jump in and bring your AI avatar to life. Step 1. Generate your avatar image. First, open your browser and sign up for Leonardo AI. In the prompt box, describe your avatar in detail, including their age, gender, hairstyle, clothing, background, and any other specific features. I use this prompt to generate my image. Then click Generate. You'll see a few image options based on your prompt. Pick the image you like best and click Download to save it to your device. Step 2. Launch HitPaw Edimakor. Open HitPaw Edimakor on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the link in the description below. Once installed, click New Project to get started. Step 3. Add your AI avatar. In the left panel, click AI Avatar. Scroll down slightly and click Select Avatar Appearance. Now, upload the avatar image you just created using Leonardo AI, and then click Confirm. You'll now see your avatar added to the list. Step 4. Add a script and generate AI avatar video. Next, write your script, upload a voiceover audio file, or record it directly in the tool. If you're using a written script, select your preferred AI voice from the list. Then select your AI avatar and click Generate. In just a few minutes, you'll have a talking version of your AI avatar.
HitPaw Edimakor is easy to use and helps you edit videos like a pro. This AI-powered software lets you create AI videos, translate movies, add subtitles automatically, and access many other useful tools, all in one place. Download it now and explore endless possibilities.
You can now export the video and edit it further for any purpose you like, whether it's for content creation, tutorials, or personal projects. And that's it. You've just created a fully talking AI avatar using HitPaw Edimakor. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.